within and without. From each team, I want one person who will coordinate, who will take instructions from me and go back and pass it on to the team. Yeah. Yeah. Anyone, send anyone. You can yourself from. Come. Yeah.
No female.
Whenever there is a briefing to be given to some people, there is a tendency of someone or a few to come and stand behind the person who is briefing. No? You should never brief like this. You know why? I don't know what this fellow is doing behind me. Isn't it? And only you two are parked in front of me, under my nose. But this fellow is not under my nose. So, what you do in that situation is, you don't disturb the participants, you go back. Okay? There is one important thing, just struck my mind because Chalti ka naam gaadi. Right. You belong to which team?
Bajrang Dal.
What topic you like in general management? Your team?
The organization behavior.
OB. No, within OB you will have something, no? Individual dynamics. Somebody said individual development, which is right? Dynamics or
Dynamics.
What's the difference between dynamics and development?
Those who say dynamics are development. Development is dynamic.
So this team is dynamite.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. Dynamites, what's your war cry?
1, 2, 3. Jai Shri Ram. Jai Shri Ram. Chat
GPT. Which is this team? Here, there? Yeah. What do the chat fellows do? GPT? What does GPT stand for?
Large language model, sir.
Large?
Large language LLM. We control C, control V. So they whatever they said that like, we also like that.
He told me the full form. You didn't understand what he spoke. Okay, this is Chat GPT group, which does not know what is GPT. And if somebody asks you, confuse that fellow who is asking you. What's your war cry?
Control V, control V. Yeah, chatpata chat.
What's your team?
Chatpata chas.
What's your war cry, Chatpata? War cry?
मेरे साथ छाप पिया कौन? मेरे साथ छाप पिया कौन? मेरे साथ छाप पिया कौन?
Black Panther. Oh my God.
बिल्ले आ गए बिल्ले.
And what do you do in life? Chill. The Black Panthers are here to chill. War cry?
Wakanda forever. Wakanda forever. Wakanda forever.
Okay, come. Right. Now, all of you also please listen to the instructions so that he doesn't have to repeat it. These are 4 teams. Let's call it whatever you called. The aim, the objective is each team will cross over and reach the opposite side. Okay? You're from one company. Each one are from 4 different departments. Let's say HR, finance, or individual and collective, whatever. And I will I would like to see how you people plan the task of moving from that start point to the finish point. For you, the start point, and this is the finish point, and likewise for these two teams. There are a few terms of references. Number one, all the teams will enter the field together. What is the first one? What is the first one?
Everyone should
Enter together. Two, no one other than the coordinator or the team leader will speak. What is the second?
No one other than coordinator.
Three, every team member should be in physical contact with the other, with at least one. Say you are in one line crossing, you hold them like this, or you hold each other's hands like this. So, what is the third one? Physical contact. Okay? First one, enter together. Second one, no talking, other than the leader. Third one, physical contact. Any questions? In case there is a foul, all of you in the team will go back. The entire company. And finally, you cannot step, you have to step on to the bricks kept here. You cannot keep your foot on the ground. And once you rest on this, one leg, you go on ahead to the other, unless somebody else stands on this brick, you should not lift. But if somebody lifts the leg, this will explode. This mine will explode, this will be removed, and you will not have a place to go. So, you have to walk over the mine and not leave the mines alone. You have to be in contact with the mines always. This is the fourth and most important point. Is that clear? Now there is too much of commotion. I will reduce it. I will give you 10 vacancies. You pick up 10 from your team and be prepared for the task. How much time you want? 5 minutes. 5 minutes? 5 minutes? Any questions?
Can we support them? Can we hold them?
Hold whom?
Coordinators can hold the team members.
All of you are part of the team. You have to be in physical contact with one another.
So all the 10 people should have
All the 10 should be in one row. Enough? Now, 5 minutes for you. Do whatever you have to do, and we will begin immediately after 5 minutes. Please move.